Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to align the product guide in your CorrBox Solution system. The revolutionary CorrBox Solution is a complete modular system which can be upgraded on every time when your demands are growing. For work in the machine, make sure that you wear your protective clothing. First, mount the mounting plate on the carrier material at the approximate height of the conveyor belt. Mark the fixing points. And screw the mounting plate onto the carrier material. Now loosen the screws from the lower guide plate. And slide the lower guide plate to the height of the conveyor belt. Now tighten the screws on the lower guide plate and loosen the screws from the upper guide plate. Now place a current product on the lower guide plate. Adjust the distance from the upper to the lower guide plate and tighten the screws on the upper guide plate. After that, loosen the screws on the application head attachment. Adjust the distance from the nozzle tip to the upper edge of the product to 5 to 8 mm and tighten the screws on the application head attachment. You have successfully aligned the product guide to the conveyor belt. Thank you for watching our tutorial. You can find more of this on our GlueTube channel and everything you need to know on our website. Let's stick together and goodbye.